Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and one of my passions for nearly 50 years now has been exercise. And today, I wanted to help share some tips on one of the hidden keys to exercise success, and that is recovery. It's going to be key to listen to your body and be sensitive to its feedback. Most of us are also not getting enough sleep, so you want to strive to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep because it's going to be crucial for recovery and improving your overall health. You also want to make sure that you're getting enough protein. But the key here is not to get too much because that could also be harmful because your body actually converts that to extra sugar. So consume less carbs. Most people consume far too many sugar-like carbs, especially in these sports drinks. And here's one you might not have heard of, and that is take adaptogens, which are typically herbs that can help your body resist occasional stress, anxiety associated with day-to-day life and occasional fatigue. And today I want to highlight one specific adaptogen and that I believe may be helpful in your exercise program, and that is rhodiola. Now, rhodiola is a perennial plant with red, pink, or yellow flowers, and it's been in use since Viking times to help boost endurance, reduce occasional fatigue, and recent studies have also shown that it supports overall heart vitality, increases antioxidant levels in professional athletes, and protects muscle tissue during exercise, and also helps improve your endurance. So if you would like to add rhodiola to your exercise recovery program, there are a few key points you need to know about. First of all, rhodiola thrives in tundra-like conditions all over the world, but the highest quality rhodiola is grown in Siberia, so you want to make sure that the raw materials are taken from that area. You want to also be sure that the manufacturer uses a high quality extraction process to preserve the adaptogens. Additionally, you want to confirm that there are not potentially harmful fillers in there in the supplement that are used as flow agents like magnesium stearate. So please be very careful about your recovery when you exercise, as it's such a powerful tool to help you take control of your health.